Technology moves fast. IT support ticket queues grow even faster. From hardware to software demands, IT is overwhelmed by the constant demands of equipping, educating, fixing, and supporting users with their devices. Each user's needs are unique and ever-evolving. The result? An endless sea of tickets and towering expectations. Turn downtime into productivity by giving users the ability to install the tools they need right when they need them, without waiting for IT assistance. Give users access to a library of pre-approved apps, letting them install only what they need. Custom branding creates a seamless, trustworthy extension of your workplace. From onboarding to everyday operations, everything is simplified. Set up in minutes, saving hours of IT time. Ready to transform your workday and boost productivity? Empower users and boost IT efficiency with the trusted experience of Addigy Self Service today.